At 5, we've heard concerns from neighbors and how now we're asking questions about an infestation of rats in their Wellington community.
It's been a problem actually for months. They say the rats are everywhere and the HOA is not taking action to solve the issue. WPTV's Kayla McDermott went to the Meadowland Cove neighborhood and she's pushing for some answers.
We only made it a few blocks into this community in Wellington before we were greeted with a dead rat in the middle of the road. And neighbors tell us that that's just the beginning.
We're at our wits' end.
For the past 3 months,
You hear them screaming like their cats outside fighting.
people living in Meadowlands Cove in Wellington
It's growing and growing every day.
have been putting out traps with poison
So I have 4 boxes.
as they deal with the anxiety from rats they say are tormenting them. In cell video, neighbors capture the rats on their fences and jumping in trees.
It's too much.
It's too much.
Julian Almeida says he's catching rats on his property every day.
I have killed 61 rats since the end of May. Otherwise, I'd be inundated.
We visited the area ourselves, and in less than an hour, we saw a rat in the yard, and I watched as Almeida tried to fish a dead rat out of his pool. They fear their kids or pets could get sick from the rats. And I spoke to an infectious disease specialist with the Palm Beach Health Network who says their concerns are valid.
I think leptospirosis is a concern. There's another infection called hantavirus. They are related to being exposed to urine of rats.
Neighbors have been reaching out to the village of Wellington for help. The village tells me it's aware of the problem, but during a visit could not verify the infestation from public property, saying they would need to be invited into the community to visually document the issue.
They have an open invitation.
They're welcome to come in my backyard anytime they like.
It's ridiculous that the village gave us this response.
Neighbors have also reached out directly to the property managers, but have gotten this kind of response.
They said, well, why don't you guys form a committee, get some quotes together for us.
They formed the committee, but they're still waiting for change. I called the HOA.
This is Kayla McDermott with WPTV News.
Multiple times and got a hold of Jennifer Markey. She blames the issue on fruit trees, but would not comment on what the community is doing to remediate the rat problem. Frustrated by a lack of action, neighbors turned to WPTV.
You guys have a reputation for investigative journalists, and everybody just blows us off like it's not a big deal, but they're not the ones living in this.
They say if they don't see change soon, they will not be staying in Meadowland for much longer.
It's really disgusting, and we've had it.
In Wellington, I'm Kayla McDermott.
Kayla, thank you. WPTV